In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive sync issues in 2026. 5 minutes. If your OneDrive is stuck syncing, missing status icons, or not updating changes, a quick refresh often clears it up. We'll walk through a simple restart cycle that safely stops and starts OneDrive without touching your files. First, look for the OneDrive cloud icon on your Windows taskbar near the clock. If you don't see it right away, click the small up arrow to show hidden icons. When you find the cloud, click it to open the OneDrive panel. Next, click the gear icon to open Settings. From here, choose Pause Syncing briefly so OneDrive stops trying to process files. Then select Quit OneDrive. Don't worry, quitting only closes the app. It does not remove your files or unlink your account. This clean stop is important because it releases any stuck processes that might be blocking sync. Now open File Explorer. This lets you confirm the OneDrive folder is still right where it should be and gives you a quick way to start it back up. In the left sidebar, locate the OneDrive folder. If you see an option to start OneDrive, click it. Some systems show a banner or context option that lets you launch it directly from here. If you don't see that option, that's fine. We'll open it from the Start menu next. Go to your Start menu and type OneDrive in the search bar. Click the OneDrive app to open it. You should see the cloud icon reappear in the taskbar, and within a moment or two, syncing should resume. Watch for the green check marks or the spinning arrows on your files in File Explorer as a sign that things are moving again. If you still notice odd behavior, you can reboot OneDrive once more by repeating the same sequence. Open the OneDrive panel, use the gear icon to quit, then start it again from File Explorer or the Start menu. This simple restart cycle is often enough to clear temporary glitches, network hiccups, or file lockups that build up over time. After restarting, give OneDrive a minute to catch up, especially if you paused syncing or had a lot of pending changes. Keep an eye on the cloud icon for error messages. If there's an alert, it will usually explain what's wrong, like a file in use. But in most cases, this quick refresh gets you back to normal. That's it. You've paused, quit, and restarted OneDrive the right way to fix common sync issues in just a few minutes.